For this activity, we're going to import a Google slide into Nearpod. To do so, we first need to sign into our account. Now, in the previous activity in level 2, under Future Ready Classrooms, you should have learned a little bit about Nearpod and created a free account using your Google information. So when I go to sign in, it's going to automatically log me in, but it's logging me in using my Google credentials. So if it does ask you to log in, just say log in with Google. Now here's my front page here for Nearpod, and it has my library, it has join, but it also has create. So we are going to create a new presentation from scratch. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit create. When I do so, it asks me I can give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one Google Slides. And then I'm going to upload files. So I can add my own slide here, but I'm going to actually bring a file in. We can either bring a PowerPoint, a PNG, or a PDF. So I'm going to go to upload files, and I'm going to hit OK. And notice the different choices I have here. I can upload a file from my computer. This would be from your local C drive. I can also import from my Google Drive, which I'm going to do. And there's other areas here as well. Dropbox, and then also somewhere from the cloud. That's a OneDrive if you're using Microsoft. But I'm going to go ahead and hit my drive, and it's going to link to my Google Drive here in a second. Once that happens, I can then go and find a Google slide deck that I can then bring in. So I need to go through my files and see if I can find there's one, types of energy. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one since it's the first one I've seen, and select it. And what it's going to do is just going to import that into Nearpod. Depending on how big the file is. Notice it takes a few minutes to process. So this slide here was on types of energy, and I have 9 different slides that have been imported in. Now the nice thing about this, once you import them in, there's other things you can do as well, which I will go over in my next screencast here. But this is the basics, and this is where you'd want to take a